Outstanding design defines the 2015 Chevrolet Camaro. This two-door, four-passenger coupe offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include power front seats, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, and one-touch window functionality. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.